ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಷಯ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೈಗುಣ, ಅವ್ರ ಕೈಗುಣದಿಂದ ವಾಸಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಕೈಗುಣದಿಂದ ವಾಸಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಹುಲ್ಸೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ನೀ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟೆಡ್ by him. I think the first one was about 8 years ago and the second one was about 4 years ago. At that time I was not in touch with him, in the sense I had never contacted. I was posted elsewhere outside Bangalore, but I had heard a lot about the doctor. My mother would praise him like anything, and she would recommend to others, and of course a chain of her family members, her sisters and her brothers have got treated from him. I think currently also one brother is undergoing or about to get treatment done. So my mother would say not all doctors have this whatever kind of some you can call it guna, because see it's not just about the knowledge, it's also about deftness, the finesse, and somewhere it's the ability to take decision, okay, where to cut, where to poke, where to incise, and such things. So it could go wrong, but generally some doctors are really very instinctual, so their instincts always go right. ille agbeku cut athwa ille suji chuchbeku anta ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, that is why we call in Kannada kaiguna. I don't know what is the equivalent in other languages, but this is what makes a doctor very unique and special. I think that is what makes Dr. Narayan Hulse very unique.